The sunset glowing sweetly sings the days goodbye. A climbing moon it lights an empty sky. Laughing songs of children coming home from play. I watch it all unfold and I breathe a sigh. A timeless bridge extends throughout the ages. The harmony of wind and leaves astir. This wondrous gift of days and empty pages seem out of reach to those lost in the blur. Are they trying hard to find what's better left behind, caring only for themselves and seeing not what they destroy? On the endless road they're on to postpone joy. No, baby, you and me won't postpone joy. Our time here in this life is much to grieve. I don't want to see us wash away in grief, no. So baby, you and me won't postpone joy. The truth is that I just could not lay down at night, knowing that I never gave a try. Working with what's at hand while walking through this land, with a love like yours and mine, the broth that just won't cloy. And never will we need to postpone joy. No, baby, you and me won't postpone joy. Our time here in this life is much to grieve. I don't want to see us wash away in grief, no. Baby, you and me won't postpone joy. Baby, you and me won't postpone joy. Don't postpone joy. Thank you very much.